Hello guys and welcome to my channel CodingGigs. In the previous video we had discussed about how we can create tables in our web page, and in this video we will discuss about how we can create links in our page. If you want to see any blogs regarding the videos, you can check my website. The link will be in the description. So let's go to our editor. So there are mainly three types of links. One is absolute link, second is relative link, and third is permalinks. The absolute links refers to another absolute type of websites like google.com, youtube.com, Wikipedia, etc. And the relative links relate to the pages which we want to relate. Suppose if we are making any kind of website or any project which have two or multiple pages, and we want to send user on a click to that page, so for that we use relative links. And permanent links are used in the page, just like you have seen in many pages that there is a link on the lower side of the page that go to top, and when you click that link, you automatically goes to the top of the page. Such links are called permalinks. So we will see all the links one by one. So first I am going to show you the absolute links. So the tag we use for links are a tag, and href is the source or reference of the website where we want to go. So in the first example we will go to the google.com. So just write http://www. And between starting of a tag and ending of a tag, you have to write the text you want to show as a link. When the user press that text, then the page refer itself to that link. So I will write here, click here to go to google.com. So just run it. So when you click that link, it will take you google.com. So the second thing we will see that if you want to insert any image in the instead of the text we put over here, how we can do that. So I will just copy and paste the same thing. And instead of this data, I will just use the image tag and place the image which we want to use over here. I will use the same image I used when I teach how to insert image in the web page. So now just save it and run it. So whenever you click this image, you will go to google.com. So this is how links work in an image. So the next thing I want to show you is relative links. So relative links, as I told you before, are used to refer the pages which are in the same folders. So just so let's make another file. And write some text over here. Hello world. And save it in the same folder where our other file is saved. So I will save it. I will call it second page.html. So just saved it. So we will again write the paragraph tag first and then the link tag, and here we will write the name of our page, which is second page.html. So you can see that we didn't write HTTP or anything over here because this is a relative link. So just write anything, go to second page, and load it and click on this link. It will take you to the second page which we, so as we load, we click the link, you can see that we came to the other page. So if you go back and again click it, you can see that the link is working. So the last thing I want to show you is the permalinks. So for that, we have to give an any ID or anything in the link where we want to send our page. So if you just write a paragraph over here, so if we write some text over here, and for referring, giving a permanent link, we have to give a reference from our page, and that reference will be the ID where we want to refer our page. So if we want to refer our page over this paragraph, we have to give it an ID, which we can say that text. So we just have to write hash and text over here and save it. So I think I didn't write anything over here. Go to top. So if you click over here, it will refer you to the top. So you can write this link anywhere and on the page, and you can refer anywhere on the page using such kind of links. So this is all for this video. So if you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, and if you have any suggestions or any questions regarding the video, kindly comment below. Thank you.